watching Claudia's Cucina, I had to tell you guys today about our October anniversary deal with Pampered Chef. All of our starter kits are on sale. Yes, you heard me right. All of them. Like, this has like never happened before. It's like crazy. I don't even know. I can't even so excited. So I had to show you guys, and I had to tell you what comes in the kit. And all the things that you're going to get from it. So for $39, you can start a Pampered Chef business for the month of October. It's our anniversary month, and you can join our family and just try Pampered Chef. Try it for the fall, make some extra holiday income, play around on Facebook, doing some virtual parties, have some friends over for a cooking show, whatever works for you. I will coach you, I will train you, and you get all this, plus it's like a box, a business in a box, right? So $39 gets you all of these items right here. One of them, which is our Rock Crock Everyday Pan. It can go anywhere in your kitchen. You can cook on the stovetop, microwave, broiler, anywhere. And this alone is like $139, all right? Plus, you get our flexible cutting mats. You get our manual food processor. This one's like $50. You get a quick slice. That's like 30-ish. Our old school famous, can never have enough, mix and scrapers, or mix and chop. Our utility knife, and our beloved garlic press. Everyone needs that, right? All this for $39. It's almost like, what's the catch? There's no catch, right? You're just at the right place at the right time. So I'm encouraging you, I'm asking you, if you have any questions, just send me a message. Find me on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram under Claudia's Cucina. Any questions, anything you want to know, but I would love to help you guys earn some extra holiday income this, holiday season. Maybe there's a gift you want to buy your child or your husband or whatever that maybe you couldn't afford unless you come up with some extra cash this holiday season. Or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom that wants to stay at home and support their family, but, stay at home and spend time with their kids, but also have a little side hustle. So this could be for you as well. Or maybe you're a full-time worker and there's only so much money at the end of the day. So this could be something you can do from home, from your phone, playing on Facebook, making some extra income. So again, $39 for the month of October. Don't wait. I would love to coach you. I would love to give you all my systems, how to run parties, everything like that, and help you be successful with Pampered Chef. And if it's not for you, you try it for a month or two, guess what? You get to keep all this. That's it. $39. I spend more than that at Target in like 5 minutes. So can't wait to hear from you.